How is a high-precision ball screw ground? What you're seeing isn't ordinary grinding. And it's not polishing either. It's one of the most critical processes in manufacturing a high-precision ball screw. Thread grinding. Here, a high-speed grinding wheel follows a precisely controlled path, forming the helical thread groove one pass at a time. This process demands not only an ultra-precise machine, but also exceptional process control and manufacturing expertise. Precision isn't created in a single pass. Every feed, every wheel dressing, and every grinding path must be precisely controlled. Even the slightest deviation can affect lead accuracy, straightness, and positioning performance. A high-quality ground ball screw isn't just about precise dimensions. Every thread must guide the balls smoothly and consistently, delivering high-speed motion, accurate positioning, and long-term reliability. From the grinding wheel to the finished thread and final inspection, every step is driven by precision. True quality is never accidental. It's achieved 1 micron at a time. YOSO precision ball screws, engineered for precision, built for performance.